Problem. Both of you have insurance.
You brought a hammer.
Oh, hi.
Hammers,
Mallet.
cans, baking soda. What could possibly go wrong?
Bubbles. I mean, it's just
Bubbles.
little fizzy bubbles. It's not a
Okay.
big deal. And
Alrighty.
a little something here in the summertime that kids are kind of thinking about what do we do? And a little box of baking soda and a little jar of vinegar.
Can go a long way.
No, it's a horrible idea. So get a great big huge 13-pound bag and then get a couple gallons of vinegar and we might have some fun.
All right.
Fair enough? All right, put your glasses on because it's one of those segments.
Okay.
So right here in the very center, here is, of course, the classic reaction. If you want to release, I mean, there's so much power in this baking soda right here, sodium bicarbonate. So here's our baking soda right there. And to release that, we need an acid. So we're just going to add some vinegar, for example. And so watch the reaction we get. Nothing terribly exciting, but there, those are bubbles of carbon dioxide. Now, I know, not exciting to everybody, but to a chemist, this is fantastic. It's probably something I could think of doing with that. But
Sure.
did you see all of that release of the gas? And it's invisible, so you couldn't see what spilled out all over the place. So I was kind of thinking, have you ever seen that thing where they take a film canister? You know what that is? You're too
I
young.
do, I'm aware.
A long time ago, there was film.
There was film.
and
We
We'll
actually
discuss
took
it
it to
later.
be
Yes,
developed.
okay.
Yeah.
And then you would take an Alka-Seltzer, drop it in with some water, and cap it off, and the lid would just give it a little pop off.
Right.
Okay.
So I was thinking that would be fun, so excuse the reach. But what if we did it this way? So look at this. We have cans that are here, because I was at the hardware store, and they sell these empty cans. I thought, what's that for? And he said, paint. And that's useless.
Not for Steve Spangler.
So
Boring.
why would you do that? So here's what you do, is you reach down and you get like a big thing of baking soda. Got it? And then if you just pour the vinegar inside, that's a really bad idea. So we need to have this time delay kind of reaction. So watch this. So we just found this little cup. That's a good idea.
Little
And now-
mini cup of vinegar.
So now what you do, you just put this in here like that. You just
Oh,
can't
geez.
tip it over. Okay, so you're fine. You're fine. So you see how it's like that? And then this one goes in here. We already have some in there.
Socket
And so
bombs.
this, yep, so this is good. So you got that. Okay, so now this is great. So then what you do is you take the lid and you just kind of, probably, it's a good idea to use a hammer.
Watch your
Good.
fingers.
Yes, you're
Okay.
fine. You're fine. Okay, so now, watch this. Ouch. This could be great. Okay, so now, look at this. That little time bomb just stays there.
Oh,
Until you
special.
shake it. So here, both of you, just take the can
kidding me.
and shake it, but like that way. Just give it a little shake. Shake it, shake it. There you go. Shake. Oh no, oh my God. Okay.
Jeez.
Okay. I didn't
My
say like take out a
lordy,
camera
wow.
for goodness sakes. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm. Wow, we
Sorry
did
about
hit the
that.
camera.
I know.
did.
What,
Oh,
well,
I got-
did I say do that? I mean, seriously, I just
just
said a little
went so
shake it.
quick.
So that was good. Didn't you think that was great?
I'm gonna get in so much trouble.
No, you're gonna be fine. I'm the one that's going to the principal's office.
That's
but
right,
then
yeah, I'm
check
blaming
this
you.
out.
Oh, 'cause
Anything
you
that's
gotta
worth
do
doing
bigger
is worth
cans.
overdoing. So look at
Sure.
this.
Oh my
So these are just bigger cans that make it more fun. So if you want to do this at home, well, you don't. Do it at a friend's home. So what you do is you go to their house, and then you just get like a cup of baking soda.
Oh,
Bother
yeah,
some
go
other
big.
mom, yeah.
So,
Go
and I
big. Go
practiced
big.
this,
Yeah.
so I think that this is going to be pretty good, but not
Sure.
at my house. And then here's our vinegar. So we get this wonderful reaction. Okay,
Sure,
so watch
let's
what's going
get
to
a
happen. This goes
reaction.
down in here like this. Okay, so this time
We're gonna take out a
this
light.
time. No, you're going to be fine. Look at that. And then this goes over here.
Oh, I
Kim,
don't
you're
want to
gonna
do
love
it.
this.
I have
Are
no
you
desire
kidding?
to do that.
Yes, you do. You have a lot of desire to do
Don't
this.
point it at the camera.
Yeah, don't point it at the camera. Yeah, that's
Okay.
a pretty good idea.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
No, wait
so
for
here we
my
go. So
face.
this is good. Yes, so this is good. Here we go. Oh, look at that. See? Oh, that's good. Now, if it accidentally tips over, you'll know because
yeah, you would know.
because you're going to start to see it puff up a little bit. Kim, this isn't for you. So look at this release of carbon dioxide. This should be fun. Okay, so you ready for this? This is big finale. So each of us take our cans, shake them up, and then just set them down. Not this shit like that. Okay, you ready? Come here, ready? Okay,
How do you wanna
hang
do
on.
this?
Ready, set.
It's too
Shake it up. Shake it up. Put it.
I did not shake my.
Oh,
We have made a
Oh,
mess
I
in
did.
here.
that was
my
really
goodness.
awesome. So, so sorry
That
about
is
that
the biggest
part.
mess.
You don't have to do the 5 o'clock.
That's the biggest mess
smell
that
of
you've ever
vinegar.
done in this
Are you
studio.
kidding me? This is
Tell
child's
everybody
play.
we're going to a break. That
Okay.
was fun.
Can you tell everybody
Okay,
about
you
the-
guys made me.
sorry about that.
Yeah,
It's
go.
white for you.
I would
Oh,
check
good.
everything
This
on
is
9news.com
9news.com.
and Facebook and blah, blah,
Whatever.
blah. See ya. Oh.